So I'm starting this set with creating my smile line for her middle finger, and I'm taking CJP's birthday suit, and I'm using Tracy Lou's brush number 10 as usual. So I like to use this nude acrylic bit more wet than my usual, just because I find like it gives me some like little dots of marble in it. I don't know, it's just me or something, but I feel like it does that. So I use it a bit wet, make sure I push it right against that cuticle area and don't neglect my side walls. I'm taking another bead now just so I can put my apex where it belongs. Now on her pinky, it will be just a regular glitter fade. So I'm first placing my nude acrylic. I will leave this set and then get back to it. Here we are making an ombre nail. We're going to use the same nude color, and this lovely pinkish color is from CJP2, and I think it's called Rose Garden, I think, yeah. So I'm making sure I'm blending that up in the center of her nail and then pulling it down as thin as possible, but also get that color payout. And when I'm happy with that, I'm just encapsulating it with crystal glass. Geez, I just realized with this smile line on the ring finger, not the middle. Sorry. Okay, so on her middle finger, we were applying the same nude color all over the nail. Make sure I push it right against the side walls, but make it really thin. So I put quite a bit of pressure onto the nail to make sure the layer sits as thin as I can possibly make it. Gonna start adding some copper foil. I believe this is from Glitter Fairy. I bought it ages ago, so I can't really remember very well, but it's a copper foil, so I'm just placing a few bits of that here and there. I'm also adding a tiny bit of glitter just to give it a bit of sparkle. I'm using Tracy Lou's vintage copper glitter. I love this glitter, just so good. It's got like small bits of gold in it, and then you have some rose gold bigger bits, and then copper. Oh, I just love it. Really, really good. I would normally let this set and then come back to encapsulate it, but I fluffed for so long, they just dried really fast, so I won't be dragging them down with my brush by accident when I encapsulate, so it's fine. I was able to do this straight away. I'm going back to my pinky and I'm just applying the same glitter that I've just used on the middle finger. Look how nice that is. Isn't that nice? Like, there is glitters and they're all nice, and then it's Tracy's glitters and they're all wow. Just wow. They're so special. I just love all of them. Now I'm applying on her thumb a nude color, and I'm doing the same thing that I did on her pinky. So a thin layer, make sure I push it right against the cuticle area. Make sure I don't touch her skin with my brush at the best of my capabilities. It does happen, but best is to try and avoid it. Monomer should not be really touching the skin, because if you do that on long term, you might cause some minor reactions, but we do our best. So I'm applying that glitter, just fade it out, make sure I go into the side walls, I don't neglect them, and I don't leave any nail showing. And excuse her cuticle area, I did nip them, I didn't hurt her, she's a picker, so keep that in mind. Now I'm encapsulating as per usual. Here I'm taking my 100 grit file. I'm trying to perfect that smile line as best as I can. Make sure I get rid of all the dust before I apply my color, and I'm using the same pink color we did use on her index finger. Now I have file shaved and buffed off camera as per usual. Now I am applying my top coat, and I'm fighting for a fluff for my life right there. So I'm not even gonna say which top coat I'm using, because it's the same one as usual and it's just amazing. So I'm applying that all over her nails, and then we're gonna pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds, cuticle oil, and we are all done. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.